Hi guys, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you a product and show you the cards that I made with it. So I've been crafting and I've trying to make some videos as I go along, but life's got me really busy. So I'm sneaking in a video. Apologize the shadowing and everything. And it sounds like a hurricane outside, but it's just the wind blowing. So I made some cards, but what it is on HSN on January 8th, I bought these edgeable words and stamps, and I opened two of them. So I have birthday, and then it has stamps. It says wishes birthday or happy wishes birthday, the two stamps that go along with it. And this one says hello, and it says friend and me to you stamps that can go along with it. And I'll show you how they work real quick. Um, this one is happy, hello, birthday, happy, and this one says happy birthday and something about sent your way. I don't know what it says there. And those are edgeables. These are from HSN. They're from Crafter's Companion. I got them from HSN, but if you go to Crafter's Companion, I'm sure you can buy them. I know that they have them in the UK and they have them in the USA. This one says thanks, a bunch, and a million. So these are edgeables. And these two that go with it, there's six of them all together, and it cost me $24. This one says love, sending lots of love, or is all we need is love. And this one is hugs I used, and it's sending hugs, or hugs are always the answer. So here's the word love, and here is the hugs, because I've been making Valentine cards for my mom's grandchildren and great grandchildren. So um, so here it is. And actually, you can even run this through. And I had one and it's missing. I had one where I had hugs and I just cut out this space, and then the word hugs was there. And darn, I cleaned my area and it fell to the floor or something because it's not around. But anyway, you can use it as a word or put it in your card. So here are the cards I want to show you. See how it says love? So this is just a white card, and so I put the word love on the card and then I cut it out. So I went ahead and put the paper on the white cardstock because this is the card. I went ahead and put the paper, then I ran it through before I put the little piece right here, the ephemera. I put it here and I ran it through. I also put paper behind it, and she can write sentiments wherever, so that it would pop out. So there's one of them. And here's hugs. And so I did it the same way here. You put hugs here. And I went ahead and put the paper there so that it would be that color. And then it stops cutting right about here. Stops cutting right about here. And you have to cut this little line in from here to here. You have to cut this and then cut this up so that it cuts it out. So here's this one. Here's this one. Here's this one. It opens this way. I hope she likes these cards. Here's a little one. All this paper is from Authentique, and I think it's a year old. But here is the paper line, Authentique, and maybe I have it too close. I should probably just leave it to where it's at. But there's the Authentique paper line that I use, and there's that card. Here's another one that says hugs. And this is the first time using it. Here's another one that says hugs. And the Authentique paper line had these little card embellishments to go with it. I can't think of the name of them, you know. Yeah, let me see. Here they are right here. So I was able to use them. And here's another one. Here's one at an angle that I put on. Love at an angle. But it opens this way, I guess. So there's some more. Here's another one that says love. Here's another one that says love. And this one would open this way. So there's my cards. I hope that you like my cards that I've started making, and I have about 24 to 30 to make, but these are all the ones that I'm making this style. And then I'll be making some more. I hope you like it. Have a great day. Thank you. Subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I make a video. Caring is sharing. Thank you for being here.